Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is going to be this cute little notelet, as you can see here, which we're going to do some colouring in with our blends. And it's using the Hanging Garden stamp set, where you get 3 hanging baskets with all different flowers. As you can see, some daffodils in there, and also lots of sentiments in order for you to use as well. So I'm using an extended notelet for this card, and these are available in packs, and I've created a mat measuring 6 centimeters by 11, and that just gives a 2mm border around the edge, like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my stamp apparatus, like so, over the head. And if I just quickly show you, I have already set up the sentiment and hanging basket, and on this one just the 2 butterflies, like so. And what I've done is I've put 2 post-it notes down so I know where my paper needs to sit so I can stamp. So I'm going to stamp in Memento ink because it's the perfect ink for our blends. I'm just going to ink there up like so. Make sure this hasn't moved at all. And push it down. How simple was that? You can quite easily do multiples of this card. Maybe change the sentiment to the thank you kindly, and then you've got cute little thank you notelets to hand out to anybody as and when you require. And how simple was that? Just to add the butterflies on. So I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to bring it back in for you. Bring in my chair, because with the blends, these are the colours that I'll be using. So we've got dark granny apple green, smoky slate light, crumb cake dark and light. Is this Highland heather dark and light, as well as dark daffodil. So as you can see, I'm just going to quickly do some. So the flowers are in dark daffodil, like so. The leaves are in dark granny apple. Now, what I would say is don't stress about getting it in the lines, because I think sometimes it's so much better when it bleeds a little, or just something isn't quite right. Remember, it's homemade, so it doesn't need to be perfect. I'm using the crumb cake, dark for the ridges, and then light for the inner parts, and the Highland heather, just the light on the top. Sorry, I can see that you're shaking a little. And the dark on the bottom. Now, I won't waste time colouring all of that in, because you all know how to colour. So I have done one earlier, and as you can see here, I did just finish it off with a smoky slate across the bottom, just to ground the words, and just slightly behind, just to create a little shadow, like so. And all I'm going to do now is bring in my snail adhesive and my card base, and just line it up. And place it down. And there you have it, super quick and easy, and you can do multiples so quickly as you just saw me do. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where a list of all the products are available, as well as like, comment and subscribe, and why not share this video to your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram accounts and get the word out on how easy it is to make a card like this. I'll see you around. Bye.